When we're called out to do a duct cleaning on a property, the first thing we're gonna do is when we arrive at your home is we're gonna greet you and we're gonna go over any questions or concerns you might have. So as we go inside the house, we're gonna have you show us around. We're gonna ask you questions about what you've been experiencing, what you would like to experience, why you're having us do a duct cleaning, and allow you to show us any problem areas or concerns that you might have so that we can address them during our time with you. The next thing we're gonna do after we get all the information is we're gonna get to work. We're gonna bring our equipment in, putting on our shoe covers, protecting your home any way necessary. We wanna make sure that this process is as clean and minimally invasive for you, the homeowner, as possible. We've got to take down your registers, the covers that go over your vents or the openings for your air duct. Those registers also distribute the air throughout your house, and so we pull those down and we want to make sure that we can clean those up, that we can vacuum around the area that they came out to make sure that's all clean. After the registers have all been taken down throughout the house, we're going to bring in our camera, and the very first thing we like to do is inspect your ductwork. We not only inspect it with the camera system, where we can get a great look inside the vents and see the overall condition of the ductwork. This is a fun thing for you to see as a customer. It's always a mystery to know what's inside our ducts, isn't it? So you can follow us around as we scope the ducts from inside. And then we're also gonna go up in the attic and get a brief overview of what the duct system looks like. Now, the cleaning part we do with a brush attachment that's on the end of a long vacuum hose. That brush attachment is slightly larger than the diameter of your duct. And that's so that the brush is making connection with the outer walls of your duct the entire way through. As that brush goes through, we have a remote. You see Justin's got it on his hip there, and we can turn on and off the machine. We can turn on and off the rotation of the brush and the vacuum with that remote control. So as we clean this duct, we clean them each individually, one at a time. We feed the vacuum up into the duct, and then when we get to the end of that line, we begin to pull it back. As the brush spins, it dislodges a bunch of stuff, and that gets sucked into the vacuum. But as soon as we're done with our duct cleaning process and everything's put back together, we're gonna show you the results. We're gonna show you inside the vacuum and some of the dirt that we were able to pull out. We're gonna show you your new clean duct system. We'll fire everything up and make sure there's nothing weird and that you have the right amount of airflow into all the parts of your home that you want it. I'm Josh with Thomson Air Conditioning. This is a brief overview of how we do a duct cleaning, and we hope you found this useful and helpful in making your decision.